Right, let's select cells E2 to E20, and then let's go to the Edit menu and Go To, and select Special and Column Differences. We're going to find the cells that are different from the one that's selected, and click OK. And now let's double click on cell G9 and see what's called rangefinder. Well, no, not F9, G9. G9 references F9, and we see that identified there. Let's press the escape key to get out of that. Now click in the name box and select criteria, and let's go to the insert menu, name, define, and select criteria and click delete and OK. Now hold the control key down and press the home key. Control home takes you back to the start, and let's go to the data menu, sort, and select year from the sort by drop list, and let's select salesperson from the first then by list, and product from the second then by list, and we'll leave them all at ascending and click OK. And now let's go to the data menu and subtotals, and let's select salesperson at each change in list, and we'll leave the others at the default and click OK. And now scroll down to the bottom to row 227, and let's click the bonus tab and click in D11 and type equals, and then select the sales tab and click in G228 and press the enter key. Now make sure D11 is selected and click the copy button, and then let's go to the edit menu and select paste special and select values and OK. And now press the escape key to clear the copy thing, and go to the sales tab and the data menu, subtotals, and remove all. Okay, now let's click on the bonus tab again and select B14 and click in the name box and type com_rate and press the enter key, and then click in B15 and type quota in the name box and press the enter key. Then click in H15 and click the paste function button, and we'll select logical, and we want if, and OK. And then let's enter the under logical test we want B5 is greater than or equal to quota, and then tab to the following box and enter com_ multiplied by B5 divided by 1000, and we enter 0 in the third box and OK. And now click the copy button and select the cells we want to copy it to, which is H5 to J11, and click the paste button. And let's save that.